So, Aminat, what happened to your network this way like this? It's
I
frustrating.
don't know.
It's frustrating, seriously. It's giving you serious headache too. So we are going to use, excuse me. So we are going to use this particular one to test run. Then before I delve into the main project, So the main project. So what we are doing now is so this is what we guys will do. If you look at what we have there, we did there 4 loops so far. So 4 loops work with while loop in Python. So there's one called for loop, there's one called while loop. So if you look at what we did earlier, let me still go back to the code back. We say for. So this is for loop. This is for loop. So that means we have the 2 types, which is while loops and the for loops. So we're going to use yes. Yes.
Your screen is not sharing.
It's not showing.
Okay. Is it coming up now?
Yeah.
It should. Okay. All right. Good. So with what we have here, let me start from here. So like what I said earlier on in the first class, that when we are talking about loops, we're talking about iteration. That's iterating through a list or through tuples or dictionary or sets. So if you're asked now that what is a loop, you should be able to tell us what a loop is. A loop is just like going over and over a particular list of items. So like what we have done, we iterated through the list of names we created, or the list of names we created. So we're able to bring out, that is, go over each names and print them out one after the other. So the 2 types of loops we have is while loops and the for loops. So the for loops is what we have done so far. I want to quickly introduce this while loop. Then I will now I will use the for loop to do a particular project, a simple project. And that project will go a long way for Aminat because she's in secondary school. So she will be able to manipulate things and do more beautiful things about that particular code I'm going to share. Now, if you look at what we have here, it says with while loop, we can execute a set of statements as long as the condition is true. So if we set I, don't forget I is just anything like X or like each that I used earlier on. You can set any variable name that is, okay, I want it to have a starting point. So I is equal to 1, that's the starting point. Now say, while I is less than 6, that is, if the number I have set is less than 6, it should continue to print I. So if I should ask you, Khalid, you have finished secondary school, I set I to be 1. Then I now said, I'm giving Python instruction that it should give me all the numbers that are lesser than 6. What will be the numbers? From 1. So what is going to be the numbers?
That number are less than 6. From 1.
Yes, from 1.
1 to 5.
Exactly. So that means if you run this code, it's going to give you from 1 to 5. But if you set your I to equal to 0, what will be the number?
So I come again.
Okay, if you set your I to equal to 0, if you set your I to equal to 0, what will be the values of this code? Because I've tried to explain what this does.
It will still be 1 to 5.
No.
Yes.
No, it won't be. Look at this example. It says print I as long as I is less than 0. But I've set my I now to be 0. Initially, this I is set to 1, so that I will have 1. Is 1 less than 6? Yes. Is 2 less than 6? Yes. Is 3 less than 6? Yes. It will continue like that until it checks that is 6 less than 6. It will not, is 6 less than 6? Never. Which is no. So that is why this answer, according to what you said before, you said from 1 to 5. But now, the question I'm asking now is this. If I set my I to equal to 0, what will be the values? What will be the values? Are you guys with me? Yeah, you guys are with me now. Khalid. Oh, you are writing the code. I catch you. You are writing the code to know what to tell me as an answer. So actually, what about Aminat? What can you say about it? What can you say about this? I want you guys to respond so that I will know that you are with me. Hello? What happened? I think you guys are writing the code.
So what is it?
Eh?
What is it?
What were you before?
So what is that?
Okay. So the question is still this one, that I set my I to equal to 0, not 1 again. So what will be the value?
It will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Exactly.
It's the code.
Exactly. It's still the same thing. So what this one will do is, sorry, let me write this code. No, I won't write it. Let me be the one to write it. Write this code and tell me what you have. Aminat and Khalid, write this code and tell me what you have before
I is equals to 0.
Yes, I equal to 0. I equal to 0.
Stop singing.
Yes. Yes. What do you have?
Sami, I add 0, like a lot of zeros.
To where?
Sami, let me show you.
Okay.
Let me show you.
Share your screen.
Now look at my work. What's my doing?
What do you say?
No, you know it, sir.
Okay.
Sir, see it.
Yes, I'm seeing your question. I want to see. I'm not seeing the answer.
I did not save it. I'm coming. Let me do it.
That one is while I is. That one is while I. While loop. Yes. Then you must put. There is no comma. There is no full column there. So to read error, then the print must be indented. That print must not be that place. It must be indented. No. You use. Go back. You use tab. You have just press enter. Exactly. You have print. Oh, okay. This is there. This is what you say you have. This is what you
No.
put. That is,
No. Maybe the one I did before, the print was not indented. That's why I gave me one answer.
No, again, you didn't put. You have to rerun all your kernel. You have to rerun all your kernel.
Ma, that's broken now.
You can hear you.
You must attend to all those columns before you can. If you can see that it's not giving number, it's asterisk. You must start from the up. It's giving you, it's waiting for your instruction.
Wahala is that one.
Yes, that is why I do advise to always start a new page for easy. But here you just have to. No, you have to. That's not the problem. The problem is from the top. The top. No. You must attend to it from the top.
How to delete all of them?
No. Instead of deleting, you can create a new page. You don't need to delete. Create a new file. If you delete this one now, how will you get back to it?
I want to copy it.
It won't work. It shows that you shut down your system.
So that's what I was talking about.
Yes. He said you should print I because he didn't put the recurrence. The recurrence says I equals to. It says I equals to. Are you with me?
Yes.
So you put that recurrence this thing. Let me type it in the text message. Let me type it in the text message. You must end it with this iteration. This is called an iteration. This is what you must end it with. Without this one, it won't give you that particular answer. Have you seen what I sent?
I'm looking at it now. Wait, I must add plus to it.
Yes, the I plus equals to 1. Exactly. You've seen it.
So I plus equals to 0.
1 now. I put 1 there now.
I thought I should do 0.
Oh God! See what I sent here in the box. That is what you are going to add at the end of the code of what you just typed. Why did you clean it?
I did not save it.
Now, even if you don't save.
Like this. Why you don't like this?
Wait, Khalid. You just press enter. Then you say the I equals to, that's I plus, but it must be under that print, under the print. This is code, but I don't know why it's giving you this thing. Wait. It will give you error. Erase this thing. Erase it.
You are not giving my own.
Erase everything. Because that indentation is very, very important. Open this untitled. The second one. At the top. At the top. Top. No. At the top, as if you want to add new tab. Okay? At the top, home. At the top of the browser. Go up. The untitled one, open it, click it, let me see. So you have to shut down your browser. That is where the error is coming from. Shut down your browser and restart your Anaconda. Close everything or you shut it down, then relaunch your Anaconda from the beginning. You see, even this home is not, no. That is the problem. And see this one, see this Anaconda. Wait, exactly. You must close that one too. Exactly. Then you now restart everything. You don't even need to click that one. You click that Jupyter because it's Jupyter notebook you need. That one beside the Chrome.
I thought I have to open the Anaconda too.
You are opening the Anaconda. It contains everything. So already you have extracted the Jupyter notebook. So you don't need the Anaconda again.
Let's see open, so I'll close it back.
All right. So Aminat, we are waiting for you.
Sir?
What have you done so far? What have you done so far?
Okay. The same thing.
Oh yeah. Show me your screen. Khalid, as your screen is, as your Jupiter is, just stop sharing your own screen. I'm not showing your screen.
What? Why you guys like this? Why you guys like this? 25. Sorry, 205.
Oh yeah, show me the code. Okay, this one, why is it reading error? Break. Okay, hold on. If each equals to search, break. Go up first. Let's correct this code first. Okay, search equals to input. You said lowercase K. It is lower now. It's not lowercase. Nothing like lowercase. It's just lower. Then hold on. No. Is it? There's no. I'm not seeing dots. I'm not seeing dots lower there. Just give it a space and typed lower. So it is wrong. No. You have to go back. It must be together with that bracket. No. I didn't say you should go to the bracket. Go to that dot. Exactly. Rerun all your kernel first. And you are not saying anything that your code is not working. You didn't say anything. It's wrong. You should have called my attention before we move on. Oh yeah, click on kernel beside settings and rerun all the kernel. Rerun all and restart. That's it's no exactly. No. Last one exactly. That means we have not been using this thing and we have been using it in the class together. You just wait for it to run. That means there's still error. There's something wrong with this code. Break. How did you spell that break? Actually, I'm not seeing it. It's not that clear. But wait. Break. For each in names. Okay. Hold on. All right. For each in names, print each. If each equals to search. Break. It's supposed to work. It's supposed to work. Why is it not working? Why is it not working? Why is it not working? I doubt it. Why is it not working? I'm still checking it. Run it again. Let me see. Wait to search equals to. It's supposed to run. Okay, you know what? It's not running. Okay, you know what? Run your kernel again. It must start from 1. I'm seeing 5 here. No. Yes, run all. Hope you didn't shut down your system before.
No.
Oh yeah, restart it like that. Exactly. 1. Exactly. If each equals to. Okay. Invalid non-printable character. Wow. There's okay, you know what? Copy all the code from that place, from names to that break. Copy it. Okay, our zoom. Hope you didn't shut down your system.
No.
All right. Oh yeah. Go to that home and create a new file. If you have copied. Hope you have copied. No. Home. Oh, yes. You are not inside your folder. You're just creating file anyhow. You guys are doing rubbish. You guys are doing rubbish. You didn't select the folder you want to save this file inside. Go back to your home. Where is your desktop? You didn't select your desktop to select the folder you want to save your file. Where's your file? Don't click that in anyhow. Where is the folder? Where is your folder? You have folder that you are working with. You have swiftnet academy, swiftnet, whatever that you have created, that all your documents should be stored inside. So does that mean this is what you have been doing since? Aminat? So you mean anytime you launch your Anaconda, you just click on new file directly without navigating to your folder? So what's not the essence of creating these folders? The folders I asked you to create initially at the beginning of this course. Wow. So you think you can just come to Anaconda, click on new folder? How will you navigate to your files, the one you have been doing? So that means I shouldn't be trusting you guys like this. Wow. Oh yeah, select your folder. The folder you created for this course. You created, I asked you to create swiftnet, Aminat, or swiftnet. I'm seeing your folders already. These are your folders that you have been working with. Nothing, just 2 or 3 this thing. So that means you have been doing your works outside, in fact, 28 days ago. Wow. See, you cannot learn like this and become better. Anytime you are stuck, that's why you are learning. Anytime you are stuck, just assuming I have not asked you to share your screen, I wouldn't know whether you are going along with us, and you decide to keep quiet. You don't learn like that. You don't learn that way. Anything that is not clear to you, or you are stuck, you must ask questions. That's why I'm here. And you just keep quiet like that. If I ask the question, you say there's no problem. Wow. So you have just 3. You have been doing your work outside your folder. See, I've explained this folder of a thing. If you are going to school, thank God you soon resume back to school. If you are going to school, you must have a folder. Your folder is your bag where you keep all your books, so that when you are looking for a particular subject note, you just open your bag, go to that note, bring it out. That is still the same thing as folder. That's the same thing as folder. That's the essence of creating folder, or essence of having bag. Bag is just like a container that you store all your requirements, or anything you need in school. Anything you need in school. All is well. All is well.
Good morning, sir.
You are welcome, sir. Well done.
Sir, my own is working on everything. I've tried the code that you pasted that I saw now.
Why just joining the class now? You are not serious.
No, I've joined since like 15 minutes ago.
I know. I know when you joined. I've seen your name. I'm asking you. This is the second session now. Why not
Yes,
for
I saw that. The first one, nobody was there.
Olodo? Olodo.
Should I share my screen, sir?
No. At the verse. At the verse for
sir.
only you. At the verse for only you.
I'm sorry, sir.
You must find something to do with your WhatsApp. So Aminat, create a new file. Create a new file now. Always come to your folder and create files before you just Now paste the code there. Let's see whether it will work. Yes, select that one. Just paste. Ctrl V. Okay, now run it. Let's see. It's still the same thing. Look at it together. What is going on with the code she wrote? Something is not right. Okay. Now, clean that break. Erase it. Probably your indentation is wrong. Erase it back. Just click back. Continue to click back. More. Click enter like that. Type break. Run it. Let's see. Indentation is very, very important. Maybe after you type indentation, you are using space bar to type your code. It's wrong. You must obey what Python gives you as instruction. That is why it's not working. Just put in anything, put any name, and let's continue with the other this thing. So Khalid and Ahmed, your code works fine, right?
Yes, sir.
So now, as from today's henceforth, Aminat, don't always close your mouth. Whenever you are stuck, you speak out. As if I didn't ask you to share your screen now, I wouldn't know whether you are stuck or not. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Using bedroom voice. Yes, sir. They say what a man can do, a woman can do better. You speak louder. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
You are still using bedroom voice. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
So that's that. So I want to assume that others don't have issues, right? Thank you. 13 minutes, Kebao. 13 minutes. And we have not started today's project to sheet. Okay, you know what? All right. So let me quickly share this with you. I want you to manipulate it. If you can see my screen, just let me know immediately. I want to assume, yes, good. So you are going to follow this format, the code I'm going to write. Just follow it. I put num equals to, so I'm going to say int. That is, I want only integer. In that anybody that is typing anything should just type any integer. I'll say enter any number of your choice. Now, then after that, I will now use my for loop. For I in range. Let me use in range 1,6. Assumption 1,6. I want to print. Okay, let me print num, comma, then, okay, let me do it this way. Num, comma, then, times, then I'll use 1, okay, good, equals to, I believe you know the meaning of that comma by now. Non asterisk I. So this is a simple project. How many of you are familiar with multiplication table? 2 times 1, 2, 2 times 2, 4, 2 times 3, 6, right? This is a code behind it.
That's good to know.
This is what? This is a code behind it. So the norm, any number I typed here, this symbol means times. That is anything I type inside here. This is it. Times, then I'll now say, this is times, times, I'll now put 1, that is any number here, times 1, equal to that number itself multiplied by I from this range. And don't forget, this 6 will not be included because I, 5, I, 6 means what? From 1 to 5. So if I run this code, let's see what we are going to have. So what number should I put?
4.
4. So that means I want to do 4 times 1, 4, 4 times 2, whatever, 4 times 2, 8, like that. So that is exactly what I'm going to have. You can see. If you check your multiplication table, Python is so powerful that it can do anything. But that depends on how can you think of how to manipulate the code. So who can tell me what to do if I want to increase this to, I think it's not giving me it's giving me the correct answer. Okay, instead of this one, I will use I will use I. Because it's giving me 4 times 1, 4, 4 times 1, 8, 4 times 2. It's because I've used I, so I must use the range here. So let me run this code. So I will still use 4, press enter, exactly. It works fine now. So this is 4 times 1, 4, 4 times 2, 8, 4 times 3, 12. I think, yes, everything correct. So what will happen if I want it to increase to 10? I want to do 4 times 10. Or 4 to 12. You know, they normally stop every multiplication table at 12, right? Are you guys still with me?
Yes, no.
So who can tell me what to add if I want to continue this to 4 times 12? What should I do? Do you have the same results? All of you. I hope you have written this code. Do you have the same result?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Now the question is, I want to continue from 1 to 12, 4 times whatever to 4 times 12. What do I change or what do I add? Imagine if you are asked to use your hand to do all of this. You know how long it's going to take you. I want to do to 60 or 61, so it stop at 60. So I will let me do 2 times 1, 2, right? Look at 2 times 1, 2. It continues to 60. So this is what you just change. Initially, if you check your multiplication table, it do stop as 12. So this is where they normally stop. 2 times 1, 12. This is multiplication table. So if I want to achieve that, all I'll do is to stop at 13. I'll stop at 13. So I'll just put 2 times 1. So this is 2 times 1. So this is multiplication table project. If you look at it, it's very simple, very straightforward. All you just need to do is to know how to manipulate the code. Is that clear?
Mm-hmm.
So now, any question? You are going to duplicate this code and generate 2 times 1, 2, 3 times 1, all this multiplication table to 20 as your assignment. So you are going to show me. What's Is it too much?
No.
It's just straightforward. It's just a matter of copy and paste.
Yes, sir.
That's all. Just a matter of copy and paste. So you have copied this one, you have done it for 2. All you just need to do is to copy again. I'm not even supposed to tell you. You paste this one, and you still do, you have done 2 already, do 3. That's all. You have done 3. You are doing it 20 times.
So how will I do the multiplication sign?
The multiplication?
Sign.
You mean this one?
No, the one in the code. That red one.
This red one?
Yes.
That's x, normal x.
Oh.
That's why it's a string. That's why we are putting string. Because it's going to, in fact, if you put Ahmed here, that's what it's going to bring out. Check it out. Let's put 2. and run it. Look at 2 Ahmed 1 2 2 Ahmed 2 2 2 like that. So this one is just a way of thinking. A way of thinking. That's all. Hope it's clear now. So that is exactly what this one does. Even this one too. Even this one too. You might decide to change it. If you put this one 2x and put this one equal whatever equal, that is exactly what it's going to give you. Look at it. Which is not, it doesn't make sense. So it's just a matter of thinking of how you can manipulate the code. That's all. How you can manipulate the code. Any other question?
No, sir.
So Ahmed,
Sir?
you must join the WhatsApp group today.
Okay, sir.
So you can just, let me say, I want to do for 6. It's still the same thing. 6 times 1 2. It will continue to give you the accurate answer. It will continue to give you the accurate answer. So again, as your assignment, from here, as your assignment, you are doing, this is multiplication, you are doing addition. As your assignment, you are doing addition using for loop. I don't know how you can think. You just need to think of this one you are going to do. You create a file for it. You just say multiplication table project. Multiplication table project. So the other assignment I'm giving you, which I won't give you the code, is just for you to manipulate this. Is for what? Is do addition table projects from 2 to 20, or even from 1 to 20. From 1 to 20 as your assignment. Is that clear?
Mr. Aziz,
Sir?
the range is it still like 1 to 12 for the assignment?
Of course, just stop at 12. Our normal multiplication table. Yes, our normal multiplication table. If you like, you can increase it if you wish, but just stop at 12. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
All right. I mean that. Make sure you always do your work in your folder, the folder you created, though, please. Each time you want to close like this, can you still see my screen? Yes. Let's assume you are done with your work today. All you just need to do is come to the kernel and shut down. It's important. Shut down. Once you shut down, you see that it says no kernel. Then you can now close this one and close this one, and you are good to go. When you shut down, you are good to go. Always make sure you shut down so that it won't affect your system in the nearest future. Because if care is not taken, it might make your system to perform very slow, and to slower down the memory, the processor, if care is not taken. So always try to shut down the way I've shown you as from today. So any other question? So I did some recording before, but I didn't put audio. I don't know whether I should still share the videos with you. Should I still share them like that?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All right. I will share them along. I recorded this one, so I will share them along. You can watch them anytime. I will give you the link later on. I will send the links to the group, to the WhatsApp group. So Ahmed, try to join the WhatsApp so that you can also have access to the link. Is that clear? All right.
Yes.
All right. Till Tuesday, by God's grace. Make sure you do the assignment, and once you are done with the assignment, screenshot and send to the WhatsApp group. So I won't wait till next week so that it won't take part of our time again. So,
Mr.
sir?
Do you know I almost went to swiftnet today?
Why?
I did not know that it was online class. I was already ready. I was just like, let me chill. Maybe they are still going to send something to my number. I just
download now, although the phone is the same thing. They'll show you, oh, let me download it, let me try, but you might download it.